Hello guys, I'm Anu. Today we are going to discuss about React component. So first of all, what is component? So in React, the component represent the part of the user interface. Components help us to design and develop each of these individual elements as independent reusable pieces. Component basically allow us to split the user interface into independent reusable pieces of code when it's come to React. Components are like functions that return HTML components. There are two types of component, class component and function component. So next, first of all, we want to know what is functional component. A functional component are also written HTML and behave pretty much the same way as a class component. Functional component is just a JavaScript function. They can optionally receive an object or properties which is referred to as props and return HTML which describe user interface. HTML is actually something known as the JSX. So functional component is a JavaScript function that accepts input of properties and return HTML that describe user interface. So let's go back in VS Code and create functional component. So we have two important files which are present here, public and source. If you look at the source in the diff, there are app files like app.js, app.css, app.test.js. These are the files which are related to app component. The content, the code of the app component, the styling of the app component and the unit test for the app component for JavaScript. So let's create a new function. First of all, I'm going to source folder and we have also counter folder. So I want to create within the counter. So click here and new file. Greet.jsx. So within the file, the first step is to import React. So we are going to import React. Let's create a new function. With name is great. Oops. Function greet and return. And return h1 tag. That says hello step, right? Here I'm putting semicolon. And that is pretty much it. We have created first functional component. But now here HTML hello step right is not going to be rendered in the browser. The greet component is no way connected rest of our application, so have to export like have to export default. Great. the app.js file, first of all I am importing my grid file. Import grid from component counter slash grid. Next, to import in app component, simply specify the component, the custom HTML tag, then grid, and there is no content. Have you can simply with closing tag. So save it and go to the browser. So now we can see that our functional component is running and we have received a hello step, right? Next we are going to discuss about class component. So what is class component? When creating a text component, the component's name must start with an uppercase letter. The component has to include the extend react.component statement. This statement creates an inheritance to react.component and gives your component access to react.component's function. The component also requires a render method. This method return HTML. So here I have a picture and I am going to explain it. So basically class component are ES6 classes similar to a functional component. A class component also can optional receive props as input and return HTML. Apart from the props, a class component can also maintain a private internal state. Comparison, let's create the exact same grid component but this time as in a class component. Let me create a file called welcome.js inside a counter. Welcome.jsx. Now whatever you create a class component, we need to include two imports. First React and second the component class from the React. So first of all I import React. From React. Yes. Next we define the class. Class welcome extend component. Refresh. Then the class has to implement render method. Will be return null our some HTML. So I am using return method which is return h1 tag. Content is class component. And that is pretty much it. That is created our own class component. Again, right now this component is not way connected rest of our application, so have to export. Export default welcome. In back to app.js and going to import welcome. welcome counter, welcome. And within the HTML, I am going to use custom tag. Welcome. And closing tag with closing tag. So save it. Go to the browser. So we can see that I am getting a class component as well. So thank you so much.